Hi there, welcome to IBC 2025 with Amber Technology, and today we are on the DPA stand with Helga. Helga, how are you?
I'm great, Garrick. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for coming by, because we have a lot of exciting stuff to share with you and your listeners.
Oh, fabulous. Could you please show us what's great and happening at DPA this year?
So this year we have been extremely busy in working with a totally new microphone capsule technology, and this is Core Plus technology, something that no other brand has managed to do so far. What we did with Core Plus, we basically removed distortion completely from the entire dynamic range of a miniature microphone.
Oh, that's fabulous.
So people know us for core technology, where the distortion, we managed to reduce distortion quite substantially compared to our competitors, but with Core Plus, the distortion is gone. And what is that? Difficult to imagine, because nobody has heard a microphone without distortion. But now you have an opportunity to get either our lavalier microphones, 5mm, or headset, and from recently also the instrument microphone 4099 with this amazing technology. Highly relevant also for broadcast. The lavaliers and the headsets, very good for, much better for speech intelligibility, for working in complex acoustic environments. And of course, for picking up the musical instrument, the more authentic, the way you pick up the sound from the instrument is very, very authentic. You don't change how the instrument sounds. So we are quite excited about that. So this is our new 4099 microphone that comes with two sensitivities. Currently, this one is available. It's our loudest PL that can handle basically any instrument. But we also have for extremely loud instruments, for snares, for trombone, for trumpet. We're also developing this version. So for extreme SPL, we have the yellow ring on it. So the sound is not everything for the microphone. What is also important, how easy and intuitive it is to use the microphone, and even more important, how secure and reliable the microphone is. And for security and reliability, we have further developed our micro dot connector, which turned into micro lock, and the noun says itself that it's a very small connector that locks and secures a very stable connection until you decide to unlock it or disconnect it. So the micro lock, look for the green core piece in the connector. We have introduced it to all our adapters, because via the wide range of adapters, you can connect any of our micro-lock microphones to any wireless system. So pretty smart. Micro-lock, of course, found its way to the new 4099 microphone. What we also did was that we improved further the shock mount. We moved the weight at the back of the capsule, which makes the shock mounting even more efficient, no cable-borne noise or structure-borne noise. We introduced an anti-reflective paint, so the microphone disappears, also a thing that's important for many producers. And on top of that, we revamped our XLR connector, where there is a smart way of adjusting the belt clip. There is also micro lock in it, very robust, much more durable, and with EMC performance that corresponds to the modern environment. What people really like about 4099 instrument microphone from DPA is our wide selection of the instrument clips that basically allow one and the same microphone on virtually any musical instrument. And we have revamped the system. We further worked with the modularity. where we introduced the gooseneck lock mechanism that allows to operate the clip with one hand and adjust easily the position of the microphone also when your hands are busy holding the music instrument. So this one would be probably on trumpet, brass instrument. You attach the microphone, you adjust the angle, you adjust the height of the microphone, and you lock, and then the microphone will not move. So you can put it on the instrument. Most of our clips have been updated with this gooseneck lock, including, for example, the drum clip. We also introduced it for the cello clip. Yeah, where you put it on the strings just close to the bridge. So this gooseneck mount can be rotated 90 degrees, which allows a great flexibility of microphone placement for any preference. For the drum clip and many other clips, you also can choose, instead of the gooseneck mount, you can choose an XLR mount. XLR mount allows you to work directly with the XLR connector. If you don't want to, or if you prefer the microphone be mounted directly on XLR, for example, you can do that. The connection is secure. It will not be affected by vibrations from the instrument. So you can use the XLR connector and put it on. Now we fix it, of course. Put it on the clip that you like. Visit our homepage or the homepage of your preferred distributor in Australia and check out the options for the instrument clips. And we will also be happy to answer any questions possible from the users. I guess that's it. Thank you very much for listening to me.